Good morning and welcome to Healthy Cooking with Mr. S. Today we are going to make a pineapple banana protein smoothie. So let's get started. So first of all, we're going to put in our bananas, which mine are frozen. We are going to put in roughly a cup of pineapple. Two raw eggs. Cup of your favorite protein. One cup of milk. Go ahead and blend it up. This is your pineapple banana protein smoothie. Oh wow, that's great. Hey, have a great day out there and keep following me here at YouTube and you get some really good healthy cooking recipes. Have a great day.